Hey guys, it's Taylor. Me and Brittany are gonna show y'all how we do it down here in Texas.
Midlothian.
I'm just kidding. Come on, Brittany, show them how it's done. Oh, Pelipet. Oh, whoa. Now. Ski, ski.
Just being retarded.
Being retarded this weekend.
Don't do that.
Oh yeah, y'all check this out. It's still in my mirror. Ha ha ha. Oh, look ugly.
Yeah, she does. Just kidding.
I know. Wait, no, I'm not. What the hell? What's wrong with you?
Sorry, we're having a bad conversation. You might want to not hear this.
No, I'm just kidding.
You're beautiful, Taylor.
No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. You're retarded. God. Just kidding, YouTube. Just kidding. Y'all are freaking awesome.
Rainbow slippers.
Oh yeah, just let y'all know Shane Dawson is freaking amazing. Dude, he's sexy.
Am I sexy?
No. No, not even close. Look at that. Look at that. That's freaking sexy.
It wasn't sexy.
No, you said sexy. I said sexy. You said sexy. I said sexy.
Look at Philippa. You're so cute. Her name is Mr. Froggers. It's a her.
I know.
Text on my phone. My new phone.
Look at my new PJs I got. Oh. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not like that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. No, I'm kidding. I'm not. No, I'm not.
I didn't do anything.
Whoa. Ow.
I didn't do that either.
Sure you did it. Alright, Brittany. Hold on. I'm going to interview you. Oh, crap.
Oh, what?
Okay, Brittany. Tell us about your new YouTube account.
Okay, it's called Blind Random Awesome because we're blondes. We're awesome.
And random.
It's gonna be a lot of random.
Random.
Tacos, but
Burritos. And boners.
okay, but we're
Lots of boners. See my
Hello,
boner?
this is
Hold
my
up.
interview.
Wait, where's my boner? See, there's my boner. Woo! What?
Tag.
I had to show the world my boner. Okay, come on, let's do this.
Okay, we're just gonna be putting some videos on there.
Boners.
Pretty soon.
Boners.
This might even be on our account.
Babies!
It's getting kind of annoying.
Boners.
That's my text. My text.
Check out this. This is my playlist account. Beast.
It's not. Yeah, it's my.
Yeah, that's mine. Anyways, if y'all have any questions or anything about stuff, message me or subscribe or comment down there.
I love you, Blake.
Nasty. Yeah, Blake's her little 16-year-old boyfriend.
Oh shit.
And she's 12. Please tell me that is not wrong. Or it is wrong. Something like that. I don't know. Pedophile. Anyways, I'll be in a new video next weekend. That's pretty funny. Okay, I'll upload new video next weekend, and maybe you'll get to see her. That thing right over there.
Not a thing.
There you are. Okay, so peace out.